What's up guys, my name is Shane and today we are looking at some of the best posts from our TikTok account in 2020. TikTok is a really great place to learn English because the lessons are very short. So even if you've only got 30 seconds, you can learn something new in English. After this, there won't be much talking, so enjoy the lessons and I will see you at the end of the video.
Speak English like a native speaker. You, ya, ya. What are you doing? What are ya doing? To, t. We should go to the movies. We should go to the movies. Want to, wanna. Wanna go to the beach today? Wanna go to the beach today? I'm study at university. No. This is not right. I study at university. Yes. I work at a bank. Yes. No. If someone asked you, how are you? What would a native speaker say? He would say, I am fine, thank you. And you? No. I'm good, thanks. How are you? Yes. I'm not bad, thanks. You? Yes. I'm alright. What about you? Yes. So just remember, guys, normally native speakers don't say, I am fine, thank you. And you? What your name? No. The correct way to ask this is, what is your name? What is his name? What is her name? Stop saying, what your name? It's wrong.
Stop saying what if you didn't hear what someone said, because the word what can sometimes be a little bit rude and not nice. Some polite ways to say what are sorry, pardon, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat that, please?
He has, she has, it has, the dog has, John has. We normally use has with a singular subject, just one subject. I have, you have, we have, they have, the dogs have. We normally use have with plural subject and I and you.
Don't just say I'm tired. You can say I'm exhausted. I'm knackered. I'm wrecked. All these phrases mean I'm very, very tired. Speak English like a native speaker. What is it? 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 Who are you? 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 Give it to him. 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 Trousers, pants, flat, apartment, lorry, truck, university, college, holiday, vacation, jumper, sweater, crisps, chips. Do you always say, I don't know? Well, try these phrases instead. Beats me. I haven't got a clue. I have no idea. Who knows? I can't remember off the top of my head. 3 greetings you need to know. Hi, how are you? Hi, how's it going? Hi, how are you doing? 5 common ways to answer, what's up? Nothing. You? Not much. You? I'm just working. I'm just eating. I'm just going to see my friend. I just finished work. I just ate dinner. I just got home. And if someone says what's up to you, sometimes you can just say what's up back to them. 5 interesting ways to answer what's up. Hey, what's up? It's a 2-letter word which means the opposite of down. Hey, what's up? The sky with a few clouds and about a 50% chance of rain. Hey, what's up? Bills, petrol prices, taxes. I see. If you want to flirt with someone who asked you what's up, try these phrases. Hey, what's up? My blood pressure after I saw you. I've seen you before. You're the girl of my dreams. Are you making this common mistake when speaking English? Excuse me, where are you come from?
no, 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 no. The correct way to ask this is, where are you from? Where are you from? And if you really want to say it like a native speaker, you can say, where you from? Where you from? One woman, two women. One lady, two ladies. One child, two children. One baby, two babies. One wife, two wives. How do you pronounce this word? Photography. Photography. It's photography. Photography. The stress is on the second syllable. Photography. Photography. Camera. Camera. No. 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 This is a camera. Camera. Just two syllables. Camera. The ER is silent. So stop saying camera. It's wrong. What does it mean? No. 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 What does it mean? What does this mean? What does that mean? No more saying, what is it mean? It's wrong. I did not understood. No. 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 I did not understand. After did, we need a present tense verb. I did not understand. Stop saying I didn't understood. It's wrong. 3 ways to start a conversation. Hi, how are you? Good, thanks. How are you? How's your day been today? Yeah, it's been okay. What about you? Been busy today? Yeah, it's been really busy today. What about you?
Basic English, it's very cold. Advanced English, it's freezing. Basic English, it's very hot. Advanced English, it's boiling. Basic English, it's raining heavily. Advanced English, it's pouring.
Do you know what these letters mean? BYOB, bring your own bottle. ASAP, as soon as possible. ETA, estimated time of arrival. AFK, away from keyboard. And BRB, be right back. Speak English like a native speaker. Anda. Can I have a coffee and a cake, please? Can I have a coffee and a cake, please? Been. Have you been to America? Have you been to America? Going to. Gonna. I'm gonna do it later. I'm gonna do it later. My name, Shane. No. My name is Shane. His name is Shane. Her name is Shane. In English, it's very important to say is. Don't forget. I like to take a photo. Just one photo? No, many. I like to take photos. I like to take photos. If you say, I like to take a photo, it means one photo. English slang. Number 1, nutter. A nutter is a crazy person. Example, he's a nutter. Number 2, ball. A ball is a good time. Example, they had a ball last night. Number 3, kicks. Kicks are shoes. Example, do you like my new kicks? Common English mistakes. Don't say, I have a good news. Say, I have good news. Don't say, she's so beautiful girl. Say, she's such a beautiful girl. Don't say, it was on accident. Say, it was by accident. Are you saying these words correctly? This word? Comfortable. 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 This word? Leopard. 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 This one? Overcooked. 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 How do you pronounce this word? Boy. Boil? It's pronounced boil. Boil. Boy. You. Boy. you. It's like there's a Y in the middle. Boy, you. Boy, you. Stop saying boy. It's wrong. Normal English. That's very expensive. Advanced English. That costs an arm and a leg. Advanced English. That's a rip-off. Advanced English. That will break the bank. I go to work by car. No. I drive to work. Yes. I go to work by train. No. I take a train to work. Yes. I go to work by bus. No. I take a bus to work. Yes. Have 2 cars on the road. No. There are 2 cars on the road. There are 4 pens on the table. There are 10 people in the restaurant. Stop saying have. It's wrong. He does. She does. It does. The dog does. John does. We normally use does with singular subjects, just one thing. I do. You do. They do. We do. The dogs do. We normally use do with plural subjects and I and you. Have and had. What is the difference? If I say I have a phone, do I have a phone right now? Yes, I do. So have talks about right now. But what if I say I had a phone? Do I have a phone right now? No, I don't. So had talks about the past, something that is finished. He from America. He from England. No. He is from America. Yes. She is from England. Yes. Stop saying he from, she from. It's wrong. What can I say if someone says thank you to me? You can say no worries. No worries. Not a problem. Not a problem. No problem. No problem. Anytime. Anytime. All good. All good. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. And my pleasure. My pleasure. If someone says, I'm sorry to you, you can say, it's fine. No problem. Don't worry about it. Apology accepted. But if you're still angry with the person, you can say, don't do it again. How are you going to make it right? Or let me punch you and then we're good. I am. He is. She is. It is. The dog is. John is. You are. We are. They are. The dogs are. John and Paul are. I am work. I am study. No, no, no. You are not work. You are not study. You are a person. I work. Yes. I study. Yes. I work for a bank. Yes. I study at university. Yes. I study at the university. No. No. I study at university. No, the. I study at the high school. No. No. I study at high school. No, the. This word is not iron. No. It's pronounced iron. Iron. It's like there's a Y in the middle. Iron. Iron. Normal English. I understand. Native English. I get it. I see where you're coming from. I catch your drift. Teacher, is it correct to say? To say what? To say. To say what? To say.
To say want.
Is it correct to say that? To say, how are you? To say this word? You need to say something after say. If you just say to say, it's wrong. Speak English like a native speaker. Is he? Is he? Is he? Is he a doctor? Because it is. 'Cause it's. 'Cause it's. 'Cause it's a really good movie. Was it? Was it? Was it? Was it a good pizza? Want to be polite when speaking English? Stop saying this. I want a coffee. Say this instead. Could I get a coffee, please? I'd like a coffee, please. May I get a coffee, please? Want to improve your English? Well, stop saying this. How do you call this in English? You need to say, what do I call this in English? What do I call that in English? Don't say, how do you call this in English? It's wrong. Stop saying, I'm hungry. You can say, I'm so hungry, I could eat a horse. This means I'm really hungry. You can say, I'm starving. This also means I'm very hungry. You can say, I'm peckish. This means I'm a little bit hungry. Are you saying these words correctly? Tough, tough, t-a-f, tough. Though, though, th-o, though. Thought, thought, th-or-t, thought. Through, through, th-r-oo, through. Speak English like a native speaker. Do you want to go out later? Do you want to go out later? Ja wanna go out later. Do you want to go out later? See you later. See you later. See ya later. See you later. This word is not schedule. No. It's pronounced schedule. Schedule. Ske-e-jule. Schedule. Or you can pronounce it like this. Schedule. Schedule. Sh-e-jule. Schedule. Schedule and schedule are both correct. Okay, and that is the end of the video today. Comment down below and let us know what was your favorite lesson and why. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you subscribe right now so you don't miss any video that can help you improve your English. And if you're not following us on TikTok and Instagram already, make sure you go and follow us right now. And I will see you in the next video. See you guys.